Hi, it's Enfield car accident attorney Ryan McKeen here. I'm a member of the multi-million-dollar Advocates Forum. I grew up in Enfield, went to Fermi High School, and was also in a car accident in Enfield. Now, there are a lot of car accidents in Enfield. You've got Interstate 91, Route 5, Hazard Ave, the shopping areas near Elm Street. My accident was on Hazard Ave, and even over the Suffield-Enfield Bridge. Not to mention on Enfield's beautiful, neighborhoods and rural roads, you see a lot of car accidents in Enfield. And I'm here to give you 3 things that you need to know. The very first thing, and it's real important, is that you don't have to give a statement to the other person's insurance company. Now, they're going to make it feel like you have no choice. They're going to want a recorded statement, but the law is that you don't have to give one to them. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to talk to an experienced Enfield car accident attorney before ever talking to the other person's insurance company. They don't have your best interest in heart. They're out to trap you and to trick you. And it can be as simple as, you're in a lot of pain, you take a call, they ask, how are you doing? You say, okay. And then 3 years later, in a deposition or a trial, after you've had surgeries and you're explaining how the accident has impacted your life, they're going to come back and say, well, 3 days after the accident, you were okay. It's not fair. You don't have to give a statement to them. Now, the second thing you're going to want to know is many people in Enfield who are in car accidents, they end up in the hospital. They may end up in an emergency room in one of Hartford's hospitals, St. Francis. They may end up at Bay State or Mercy in Springfield. They may end up at Johnson Memorial in Stafford, depending upon where the accident happened in Enfield. And what happens in emergency rooms is they are basically treating you to see if you need emergency surgery or are dying and need some immediate intervention. And then if you're not either of those things, they'll send you home, tell you to take some Tylenol, and maybe see your primary care doctor. And that's been told to a lot of clients that we've had, and clients who are very seriously injured, clients who need surgery or have suffered serious brain injuries. So what you're going to need to do is to find doctors who know how to treat and make you better for car accidents, whether they're orthopedic doctors, neurologists, physical therapists, or chiropractors. All of those doctors have experience in helping people who have been in car accidents. If you don't know who those doctors are, you can contact an experienced Enfield car accident attorney to help find you some doctors. The third thing is that, and this one is really, really unfair. Remember when I was in my accident, I started getting medical bills like almost right away, and I couldn't submit them to the other person's insurance. And because the other person's insurance doesn't have an obligation to pay until the end of a case. So what you need to do is you need to work out some sort of payment plan. You should really talk to an experienced Enfield car accident attorney to help you with this. It could be letters of protection to keep you out of collections and to protect your credit. Now, these are only 3 things. I've just covered some basics here. You're going to want to check out our Connecticut car accident injury playlist for some more information. And as always, if you have a specific question about your case, you can give me a call, 860-471-8333.